Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. This video will be again a lens review showing you the lens on my eyes without any makeup, no filter, nothing. I just have a little bit of lip balm and cheek tint, just a little, but nothing on my eyes, nothing on my face, just my bare eyes, so you can see how it looks without any makeup. And as you can see, this one is a Hypnose lens. It's like a 1 year lens, and this one is Majesty blue, and this is how it looks like on natural daylight. So now I am in front of a big window, like the sun is just in front of me, and this is all natural lighting. So as you can see, it looks beautiful. And if you don't know, my eyes are brown, so this is the lens on brown eyes. This one, I love it so much. It just reminds me of my Anastasia lens. I had it from many years ago, and I can't find it anywhere anymore. So this one is the most close one to I can't remember the name of my Anastasia lens, but it was so beautiful. And as you can see, it looks so natural. Like, if you don't know me and you don't know the natural color of my eyes, you don't know that is a lens. That's amazing. I love this kind of a natural kind of color lens. So it looks so natural, looks so beautiful, and so comfortable in my eyes. I can wear it the whole day without feeling anything in my eyes, except in the very windy, very dusty like weather. Of course, any lens can hurt, but this one is really comfortable. I can wear it the whole day without feeling anything in my eyes. So comfortable. And the pupil opening is so wide, so it can catch the light. There's no shadow, nothing, not like the Syrie green or the ash blue from Urban Layer. Like, it's so tiny. It's very hot, so I feel like I'm sweating, and like it's very hot these days. But I really wanted to show you how it looks and talk about it. I really love it. And this one is very nice because really whitening my eyes. It's my cat. Not my cat, but there's a cat here. It really whitening my eyes because I have a kind of a small iris. With the small eyes makes my eyes more smaller. But this one makes it look bigger and nice and wide. So I love this kind of lens with this outer rim because, as you can see, looks so beautiful and looks so natural, and add more like bigger size to my eyes, my iris, and it's beautiful. And you can see, you can see my brown eyes, which is good. And I can wear it day and night because the pupil opening is wide, so you can wear it at night. You can see perfectly, and it's very nice. So this is for this this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'll see you soon in my next video, and I have to catch the cat, and see you soon.